Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another tutorial where we make complex topics simple and straightforward. Today, we're tackling how to withdraw USDC from MetaMask to Crypto.com in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just dipping your toes into the crypto world, this guide will help you move your USDC safely and efficiently. Why do this? Well, Crypto.com offers great earning opportunities and easy fiat conversions, so transferring from MetaMask can boost your portfolio management. First things first, make sure you have both MetaMask and the Crypto.com app set up on your device. Start by opening MetaMask on your browser or mobile app. Ensure you're connected to the Ethereum network, as USDC is an ERC20 token. If you're not, switch networks quickly from the top of the MetaMask interface. Next, select your USDC token from your wallet assets. You'll see your balance. Double-check it to confirm how much you want to withdraw. Now, head over to the Crypto.com app. Go to your wallet section, find your USDC address, and copy it. This is crucial. Always double-check the address to avoid costly mistakes. Back in MetaMask, hit the Send button for your USDC. Paste the Crypto.com address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and review the gas fees. In 2025, with improved blockchain tech, fees should be lower, but still, aim for a standard speed to save costs. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction with your wallet password or biometrics. After sending, keep an eye on the transaction status using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Crypto.com account to see your USDC deposited. A few quick tips. Always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to enhance security, and never share your private keys. If you run into issues, Crypto.com's support or community forums can be super helpful. There you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from MetaMask to Crypto.com in 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Let's navigate the future of finance together. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.